It is with pride and honor to be here before you to warmly welcome you all to this significant and momentous occasion, the grand launching of Santa Monica Lake Residences.
This township project will change the landscape of Manaoag and its neighboring town and the whole province of Pangasinan.
Alam naman natin na Manaoag ay hindi lang kilala sa kanyang heritage at pananampalataya, kundi pati na rin sa lumalaking opportunities. Sa pamamagitan ng Santa Monica Lake Residences, we aim to support that growth by creating quality spaces for families and business.
Forward. In fact, we are excited looking all these developments unfolding dito po sa atin sa Manaoag.
We do not simply build properties. We strive to build legacies, one that enrich lives, strengthen local economies, and contribute to nation building.
Santa Lucia is building this with a sense of community in mind. You know, there is an entrance with security guard, tree-lined spaces, also a proper drainage, proper roads, which is very important. Also, a big clubhouse, you know, a nice recreational space for your family. Because I think at the end of the day, you know, you just want to choose a place where you belong, where you can grow old and spend quality time with your families.
In the heart of Manaoag, where dreams begin, a gentle breeze whispers soft within. Golden mornings, reflection so clear. A place you've been waiting for is finally here. Santa Monica Lake Residences, your heart finds harmony. Santa Monica Lake Residences, your lakeside sanctuary. Create your memories you'll forever keep only here at Santa Monica Lake Residences. Families growing, laughter so near, building a future year by year.
May this development reflect our province's guiding principle of Alagang ang Galing, a brand of service marked by excellence, compassion, and genuine care for every Pangasinense.
Tonight, we proudly share with you a Santa Monica Lake Residences, a 43-hectare mixed-use development designed for both residential and commercial growth.
Santa Monica Lake Residences, your heart finds harmony. Santa Monica Lake Residences, your lakeside sanctuary. Create your memories you'll forever keep only here at Santa Monica Lake Residences. Santa Monica Lake Residences, your heart finds harmony. Residences.